Hello dear friends, I am Amit Belekar from Tips and Tricks by AMB welcomes you to my channel. Before moving further, if you still didn't subscribe to my channel, please click on subscribe button and click on bell icon to get notifications of all my new videos. In some previous videos, we had discussed already what is percolation, what are types of percolation processes, and simple percolation in detail. In this presentation, we are going to discuss about percolation processes for concentrated preparations, that is reserve percolation and modified percolation. After going through this video, the learner will be able to perform reserve percolation process and perform modified percolation process. In previous video, we had already discussed that process of extraction which involves a passage or flowing of menstruum through drug for a short period of time is called as percolation. We also discussed that percolation process is of three types as simple percolation, percolation for concentrated preparations, and continuous hot extraction process. In previous video, we already discussed about simple percolation in details. Now we will discuss the next type of percolation process, that is percolation for preparation of concentrated preparations. To make concentrated preparations, we have to do some changes in percolation process. There are two processes of percolation used for preparation of concentrated preparations as reserve percolation process and modified percolation process, which is also called as percolation with interruptions. Let's discuss these types one by one. First, we will discuss about reserve percolation process. It is somewhat similar to multiple maceration process. In this process, drug is percolated with portions of menstruum to produce concentrated extracts. In this process, drug is macerated and percolated with first part of menstruum, which is mostly 3/4 volume of finished preparation. Percolate obtained after first percolation is kept reserved. The drug is again percolated with fresh menstruum till drug gets exhausted. Then mark is pressed. The volume of percolate obtained after second percolation is mixed with menstruum obtained after pressing the mark. This mixture is then evaporated to convert it to a soft extract or till volume of this mixture is reduced to 1/4 of the initial volume. It is then mixed with reserved portion of percolate, that is first percolate, and volume is adjusted with fresh menstruum. This process is having advantage that whole percolate is not exposed to heat. Only last part, which contain traces of active constituents, is exposed to heat. Thus it prevents major active constituents to expose to heat and prevents their degradation. Now next process is modified percolation process or percolation with interruptions. For preparation of concentrated extract, reserve percolation process can be used only if active constituents are heat stable. If active constituents are heat sensitive, modified percolation process can be used. This process involves maceration and percolation of drug for 3 to 4 times. Hence it is also called as percolation with interruptions. Stationary menstruum dissolves more drug than flowing menstruum, as drug remains in contact with menstruum for long duration when menstruum is stationary. Thus in simple percolation process, more menstruum is required to extract active constituents from the crude drug. In simple percolation process, drug menstruum ratio is about 1:4. That is, if one part of drug is used, 4 parts of menstruum is needed. In modified percolation process, drug is kept in contact with stationary menstruum for 3 to 4 times, which helps in extraction of more active constituents than simple percolation method. In this process, drug menstruum ratio is reduced to 1:3. In first step of modified percolation process, 1000 gram of drug is imbibed with menstruum for 4 hours, macerated for 24 hours and percolated till 1000 ml of percolate is obtained. In second step, same drug is macerated for another 12 hours and percolated till 1000 ml of percolate is obtained. In third step also, same drug is macerated for another 12 hours and percolated till 1000 ml of percolate is obtained. Percolate obtained from all 3 steps is mixed to get concentrated extract. The mark is tested for exhaustion of active constituents, and if still constituents are present, process is continued. So this much is about modified percolation process. Now it's time to summarize today's session. We had discussed percolation processes used for preparation of concentrated preparations in detail, like reserve percolation and modified percolation. In next video, we will going to discuss about continuous hot extraction process. Thank you for listening me patiently. If you like this presentation, please click on subscribe button and bell icon to get notifications of all further videos. Like it and share it to your dear ones. Drop your queries in comments or on my mail address which is given in the video. Thank you once again.